I think South Korea is a very dangerous country. People don't think to go to that country, but South Korea is your favorite country. How much your salary? You are from Bangladesh.
Are, yes, you are from Pakistan.
Exactly, exactly. So before starting our conversation, can you introduce yourself first of all?
Actually, my name is Mohammed Mamun Mia. You can call me Mamun, and my nationality is Bangladesh. But right now, I am living in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, currently you are living in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, yes.
So, can you
Can
tell
you
me?
introducing yourself?
Okay, as you already know, I am from Pakistan and I am a student of information technology, and currently I am doing master in information technology. Or yeah, my hobbies are to practice my English language, and also I like to make videos online for my YouTube channels. So yeah, that's all about me.
What is the name of your YouTube channel?
I have bro multiple YouTube channels. I don't have only single YouTube channel. I have multiple YouTube channels. Okay, so can you tell me what is the reason behind why are you working in Dubai, and why did you left your country Bangladesh?
Actually, I left. I need some money, and Bangladeshi salary is no more better. So that's why I'm choosing Saudi Arab. And also, I am Muslim. I need to pray for sometimes, and there have Makkah, Medina. So that's why I'm choosing Saudi Arab.
Okay, okay, that's really cool and amazing. So, which work do you do in now currently in Saudi Arabia?
Which I can't understand.
I am saying that which work do you do? What is your job in Saudi Arabia? Which do you do?
Ah, actually, I'm here working a restaurant worker.
Okay, you are working in a restaurant.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so how much your salary?
Salary almost 2000 real.
So, one real is equal to how many Bengali? I don't know what is your
Bangladeshi Bengali 30. 1 real equal to 30.
30. So, can you tell me if I wanna go to Saudi Arabia, then what is the requirements if I wanna work like you are working in a restaurant? So, can I go to?
Actually, I suggest you come you thinking come to Saudi Arab before you learning how to drive, because there too much driving is requirement.
Okay, you are saying that driving opportunity is a lot in
Yes,
Saudi
yes, too
Arabia.
much opportunity. Too
Oh,
much opportunity for driving. Yes, if you know how to drive car, then you here deserve big salary.
okay. So now currently you are living in Saudi Arabia and you are working in a restaurant. But can you tell me what is the reason behind this? Why are you learning this language, English?
Actually, my dream is another. After 8 months, I will go Bangladesh, and I will try to move on in a European country. So that's why I'm something improving my English.
Okay, in which country would you like to go?
Actually, I choosing two country, Romania or South Korea.
Okay, what is the reason behind these countries? South Korea, I think South Korea is a very dangerous country. People don't think to go to that country, but South Korea is your favorite country. So tell me,
No, no, no. It's not South Korea. It's beside another Korea. Maybe
okay,
actually
I
currently I
think,
don't know, but
I,
South Korea is secure for you.
I understand. I get it. Maybe you are saying about any state of South Korea, uh, which is you can say which is calm. There is a peace. There is a lot of peace. So that's why you are going. You wanna go to
Yes, yes, yes.
that state. So and next
Yes.
is Yunnan. Why you choose Yunnan?
What?
Before you said that I wanna go to two countries. First one is South Korea, and second one is
Romania.
Romania. So tell me the reason behind
Yes.
this. Why why do you wanna go?
Actually, my two friend, three friends already. My three friends they are live in Romania, so that's why I'm choosing this country, and they are had better.
Okay, okay. Currently, how old are you? Can you tell me?
24.
Okay, exactly. I'm also 24. Okay, that's a nice.
Equal.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you married?
No, still I am single, and maybe you are also single.
Yes, yes.
So, when you wanna marry?
What?
I said when you wanna marry. Do you have plan to marry or not?
Yes, I do, but not right now.
Right now, your plan are to make a lot of money.